Hello guys, this is Developers at Work and welcome to the Android Customer Development from Source episodes. So in this episode, I would like to cover some of the basic things we missed in the episode 1, and I want to give some suggestions for the further development of your custom ROM. So the first thing I have to say is there is some defect on my guide I have made already. So that is not a major one. If you're good in the mathematics, you are done with it. So here in this step I have said to multiply you with this fraction, with this value. So this value is going to convert your megabyte value into the bytes. So it's not going to do that because we have a wrong in this. Okay, let me show you. So the right value is this. So you can see there is a last 6 has been added right in the end. This is what should be the value, but we have missed here the 6, so this is going to be wrong. So guys, please check it. And one more thing I have to say is that when you try to do a ROM using this guide, complete ROM, it is not possible guys, because we need to construct a device to which gonna bring some stock files for your device. So without having that, you can't build a ROM which you can boot into your device. So to do that, if you are a noob, if you're a new for Android development, then you should search for a device having a custom ROM built already in it, having the similar specs with your device. So then you're good to go. By seeing that device, you can build your own. So I'm gonna show you in the next episode, further episodes, how to do that. So for now, let me show you my device right now. It's just for only building a custom recovery which can boot your device. So it's not going to boot any TWRP because I haven't any TWRP configurations in this, because I want to build a device of CyanogenMod. So if you're going to build a ROM, then you should delete everything that gonna used for a custom recovery rather than a CWM or a CyanogenMod which comes in the stock right in this source. So and the further things we have to go. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, one more thing guys, and when you are going to the fast tab, I think I have missed this in my tutorial, right? Like this. When you extract your boot image or recovery image, these are stockly get into your devices, but you can't use this directly. Sometimes they're gonna throw errors on your ROM what you're going to build. So you need to go through, when you're getting through the recovery image, you should get this fastdub.sex15. It's the like it should be. So SX15 is my number of the motherboard, so it should be like this. So when you open this, there's going to be some similarities. Okay, here we go. So you can see this hashtag includes that these are the comments. There is nothing more minded. Okay, so here is the source. This is the directory where it should mount, and the mount points, what it's going to mount, and the type of the mount it's going to mount, and some flags and options. But in here, so it's gonna hard to recognize them in here, and these are everything are unnecessary for the custom ROMs. But in here, the custom ROM is going to get enough things from system, user data, cache, prod, and we required for the device. So you can go through it. So just try to extract the boot.mg, not directly to the custom ROM, but try to extract it in the another directory and copy these files you need. So I'm gonna make another episode of this also, but not right now. I'm going through the guide again. So let's, and here we go, board.config. This is what you got. Okay, in here, so you need to place this resolution right here. Don't forget this, because this plays an important role when you're building a recovery, because sometimes recovery fails because of not having a perfect resolution. So make sure you have these things. And so this nothing more to see. And one more thing, and okay, when I made a guide, I have explained you about adding some TWRP things in that, so don't get messed up. So if you doesn't want to add this thing, so it is recommended, so I'm gonna remove this pixel format. It is just an optional one, so but for now I'm gonna remove it. So what I'm gonna do is just add an hash before it, so you can see it turned completely to red. That will be based on your editor what in color it is. So when you add hash before a complete statement, it's gonna turn into a comment, so that will be ignored by the compiler when you're building a ROM, so that you're saved without deleting whole the file. So this is gonna help you. So if you're not building a TWRP things in your CyanogenMod source, then put a hashtag to them and build your ROM easily. So that's the things. And is anything more? So I'm gonna close this. We should do that. And what's there? Okay, let's go through this. So I'm showing you these files because I have changed some of things in here, so I'll just show you what I have changed. So these are the common things you have already noticed, and so these are the additional default properties I have added. That's it. Okay, so now I am trying to compile the ROM using these settings, because it's gonna take a long to build the complete ROM at one time. For my system configuration, it's taking approximately from 9 hours. So when I'm going to sleep, I'm gonna put it to the compilation and go into sleep, and when I get after 9 hours back to my system, it's going to be done. So it's gonna help you to do that. So before getting the device reconfigurations everything, I make you to start building. So I'm gonna show you how to do that first. So I think it's already done. So first we need to, let's get back. Okay, so first type the directory name. So directory name will be the Cyanogen source directory. So in my case it's CM11. So I'm going to show you where is the CM11 CyanogenMod directory. So it's the CyanogenMod directory. It's the directory we need to get. So to get from, we are in the home and we are getting into the CyanogenMod 11 source. This is the source directory which I am in right now. So it's CM11 named. So in here first type dot space build slash / env setup dot sh. So now and press enter. It's gonna get all the informations of the devices or the things which are in the source. So you can see the first thing included about the device icon. That's the device we need to access right now. So wait for it. So I have explained you about the recovery, but for building a ROM you need to follow some commands to be changed. So now this is up to the same for everything, and now we have to go for break fast, and the device CM, we're gonna build a CyanogenMod, and the device code name 38. Okay, so you can see in the case of building a recovery we used a launch command right here and the device name. So I have using user debug because it's the most used for the beta versions. We doesn't know how it's gonna be while building the ROM. It may not be stable, so when you say user debug thing, it's gonna help you to make your some little more stable and get rid of errors. So and now the press enter. So what it's gonna do is just add your device configurations into the into the device. So when you go into the compilation of the RAM, it's gonna help you, it's gonna make to get the device configurations into that and build the RAM. So it's gonna add, you can see it now how it's gonna be. Okay, you can see the platform. Okay, platform version code name. Okay, you can, here you go. So just CM version has been added to uh, the base device named, and everything has been loaded based on the device configurations. So everything is loaded in here. Now what we're gonna do is press up arrow. So it's gonna bring the previous command what we have used in here. So get back to here and change it to branch. So which the command, this command is used to build a RAM. So it's gonna build everything outputs. So I think I have already done it. So we're gonna go to out and the target and the product right here and your device code name, and here you can see. So we have got every file in here and they are ready to be done. So I haven't tried anything yet. I haven't tried a recovery image, it worked perfectly. So next I should go for building the system. So okay, let's plus, I'm gonna do this every time when you're trying to build, when you change some settings, you need to go through this command so that it's gonna get back every part of configurations what you loaded in here, self device tree or vendor tree, whatever it is. So it's gonna load it in here and bring it to the live thing. So and after then you have to apply this command to build the RAM using that settings. So for the first time it's gonna take more than 9 hours, but and the second time it's gonna take only less than 15 minutes or around that, because every file has been loaded into the source required for the device. So you're ready to go. So that's it for this episode, guys. In the next episode I'm gonna help you in building your own device tree. So I'm on that work right now. And one more thing, I have building my own website, so don't worry, this guide will be available in my website soon, guys. I'm gonna change every error in this guide and make it clean. So thanks for watching.